Okay, I'm ready. Breathe in, breathe out. Shake that up, speed up, go fast, slow down. Breathe in, breathe out. Shake that up, speed up, go fast, slow down. Bull, 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 million on me. Jay-Z, count off, pay.
Okay, so I'm taking my Maybelline concealer in the color Honey, which is number 30, and I'm putting it as my eyeshadow base, and I'm setting it with my Airspun powder. I'm taking this light brown shade and I'm putting it in my transition color. So basically what I'm doing is putting a red in my transition shade, and then I'm going in with a bunch of different browns, getting darker, and then working my way to black. And I'm putting all of those in my crease and on my lid. After that, I take the concealer again and put that in the middle of my lid to create the halo effect. And then I'm going in with this gold liquid liner and I'm putting that over top of it. After that, I'm just going to blend the sides in with a black eyeshadow. Okay, y'all, so I just finished my eyes and I put my eyelashes on, so the glue is still drying a little bit. So it looks, you can see the white eyelash glue, but whatever. So I'm going to be using this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation for the first time. And I'm also going to be using my Maybelline concealer for the first time also. I did use it for my eyebrows and I did use it when I was putting my eyeshadow base. I used it as my eyeshadow base. So we're going to see how it works out for the face. I'm not going to prime my face. What I'm going to do is moisturize, and then I'm going to do the Jackie Aina method where she put the powder on her face first and then put the foundation. Just to see. I'm going to be using the Airspun powder. And when you first do this, you're going to look like a ghost. So bear with me, guys. And I wouldn't do this if your skin is dry because this is supposed to prevent oiliness. So now I'm going to use this foundation. I look like a freaking ghost right now. Great. But I'm going to use this foundation. This is in the shade 355, which is coconut. Hopefully it matches. And look how cute this is, you guys. It got the little pump. I don't know. It has the little pump. I don't know if you guys can see that. But basically I'm just going to pump it onto my face. I feel like a lot goes a long way with this, so now I'm going to take the Maybelline concealer. This is in the color Honey 30, number 30. So this concealer, you can't really tell on camera, but it's really like sheer. I'm gonna put another layer under my eyes. I'm gonna set the concealer with my I was about to say Lego Pro. I'm gonna set the concealer with my Airspun powder. If anybody has any like setting powder, setting powder, what am I looking for? What word am I looking for? Oh, I forgot what the word was. I feel like it starts with an R. Suggestions. It doesn't start with an R. What am I talking about? If anybody has any setting... oh, geez. If If anybody has any setting powder suggestions, then let me know in the comments below, because I want to try out some new powders. And basically I'm just gonna speed the rest of this video up because it's the same face routine that I normally do. But oh, before I go, let me tell y'all what I think about the foundation. I like it actually. I usually use Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation, and then I seen that they had that one, so I really wanted to try it, and we'll see how it holds up during the day. Like I said, I'll probably be vlogging today. So yeah. And the concealer, I don't know how I feel about the concealer actually. Like, I feel like LA Girl Pro Concealer and this concealer is pretty much similar. I feel like actually LA Girl Pro Concealer, I feel like that has more coverage than this one. I don't know. We'll see how it holds up during the day, but so far I feel like the LA Girl Pro Concealer has more coverage. So yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna speed this video up. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all, because that is so important. I got so many new videos coming and you don't want to miss it. Join the Savage Squad and turn on your post notifications and all of that. I'm thinking about doing like a prom series for like prom makeup, and I might do like prom hair too, possibly. And also, you guys, I don't know what setting my camera is on right now, but I forgot how to change it. Like, I changed it the last time I made a video and I forgot how to put it back. So we'll see how this looks. If it's too bright, I'm sorry. I'll get it under control for the next video. But yeah. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. It is the Sierra Monet. And Snapchat. My Snapchat is just Sierra Monet. So my Instagram is the Sierra Monet and my Snapchat is Sierra Monet. All of it will be linked in the description box below. I'll put all my social medias in there so you can follow me. I'm gonna spray my Mario Badescu. I don't know why I call it Badescu. And make sure you spray before you put on any type of bottom mascara or anything, because you're gonna ruin your whole makeup look if you don't. So I need to do my under eye. I was gonna put the red eyeshadow under my eye and mix it with like the brown. Then I'm gonna put the brown over it. Then I'm going to take, if I can find it, I'm gonna take that gold eyeliner that I had earlier, and I'm just gonna put it in the center. Then I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna line my lips with a brown pencil. And then I'm gonna take a pink lip gloss and put that on my lip. And this one is like a pink metallic. I'm not sure where I got this from. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add some glitter in my inner corner just to give it some pop. I'm gonna add some gold glitter, so do that. just to give this look a little pizzazz. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be on the lookout for my vlog to see how this makeup look stays in place. I actually like it. I went and looked in the mirror, I went and looked in a big mirror, and I actually do like how it came out. Gotta put my nose ring back in. Y'all ever just feel empty without your nose ring? If you have a nose ring, like I feel empty. Now I feel myself again. But anyway, yeah, I looked in a big mirror and I actually do like how it looks. The concealer looks pretty good also. So we'll see how it lasts. We'll see how this foundation stays. It's supposed to be 24 hours. Right now it is 11 in the morning. So I will be wearing it literally all day. So we will see if it's literally 24 hours. And yeah, be on the lookout for the vlog so you guys can see how I feel about it. You guys can see if it actually lasted for 24 hours and blase blase. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces!